Gobi 65. One fresh Gobi florets. One chopped green chili, few chopped curry leaves. 1 inch chopped ginger, few chopped garlic, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Few chopped coriander leaves. Salt as per taste. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Half tsp of turmeric powder. Half tsp of ginger garlic paste. Half tsp of amchur powder. Half tsp of black pepper powder. Half tsp of garam masala powder. Half tsp of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of clarified butter. 2 tsps of curd. Half tsp of rice flour. 2 tsps of corn flour. Heat some water. Add some salt. Add Gobi florets. Mix and boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Gobi florets are boiled well. Strain water. Take a mixing bowl and add clarified butter. Add salt. Add red chili powder. Add turmeric and amchur powder. Add black pepper powder. Add garam masala powder. Add ginger garlic paste. Add coriander powder. Add curry and coriander leaves. Add curd. Mix all ingredients well. Masala is done. Add Gobi florets. Add rice flour. Add corn flour. Mix well. Add a dash of water and mix. Gobi is coated well with masalas. Heat oil in a pan. 1 by 1 dip Gobi in oil. Fry on medium flame. Stir in between. Fry until crispy and brown. Gobi is fried well. Remove in a plate. fry the remaining gobi. Heat to tablespoons of oil and add cumin seeds, garlic, ginger. Add chopped green chili, curry leaves. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add fried gobi. Mix fried gobi with masalas. Add chopped coriander leaves. Tasty and spicy Gobi 65 is done. Tasty and delicious Gobi 65 is ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.